Our first game of the evening between Panthers and Hoopsters. This is our opening game day for Alast Season 2.
Season 2.
Season ano yun ba? 4? Season 4.
That's Season 4 rather. Let's get it on. Who gets the basketball? Number 3, Gabayaron. Gives it to Salinas. Naagaw. Same ball, 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Salinas in bounding. Kilgan, Lopez, so good. Rebound number 5. Number 5. In advance, Steroy. Fakes. Steroy. Manayaw. 13 on the shot clock. White ball. Turnover. Number 4. Naaraw. 3-on-3 break. There's a foul. Foul on number 3. That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Sino foul for 3 Caballero?
2 free throws for number 11. Iglesias. Iglesias misses on the first. Second throw is good, 1 out of 2. Official score is 1-0. Lamang ang Panthers. Caballero. Salinas. Salinas. White ball, black ball, I should say. Seroy. 15 on the shot clock. Number 4, 2 points. Which 2 on the goal. 3 to go. Number 3, Caballero. There's a foul on number 29. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 18 on the shot clock. Iglesias, reverse layup, no. White ball. Turnover. 7 minutes and 36 remaining in the first. Yes, sir. First 2 points for Hoopsters. They will be counting 52. There's on the 5. The double is Iglesias. On number 4, rather. Number 4 shoots, but there's a foul. Foul on number 77. That is his first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for number 4, Manayaw. First shot is a look for Manayaw. Second shot for Manayaw is no good. 0 out of 2. Offensive board, number 5. Put back. In and out. Saudi pa rin. Wala. Rebound number 4. Now one number 3. 6-4. In favor of Boosters. Seroy drives elbowing violation. Dancing with the wrong song is Seroy. Turnover. Number 3. Being eyed by Seroy. Number 3. Being Salinas. Same basketball. Last touch on Black.
3 pa lang dito.
13 on the shot clock.
Nakashoot ng dalawa.
Salinas fires. No, rebound Pua.
Di ba panalo?
Yung free throw.
Number 3. Caballero.
Sarap ba? Oo, hindi pumasok sa isa. Yung una.
Iglesias. All the way.
All 5, all 5.
All time.
4 lang to sila sa Linas, 4 lang.
Ha?
4 lang to sila sa Linas. Yan.
Short. Rebound by number 5. Nagmamadali. 1 on 3. 2 on 3. Number 5 all the way. No. Gets his own miss. Wala pa rin. Caballero.
5-4 ka, 5-4.
Nalo. Seroy lays up. No. Number 4 Manayo fakes. No. Number 77 Dangan stops. Bigay sa ilalim. Eric, no. Lopez. Pua. Lopez fires. No. Rebound Pua. Salinas. Pulls up. No. Rebound Lopez. Put back is good. For Lopez.
Oh, tama,
6-5.
6-5.
Our official score is 6-5. Lamang 31. But there's a foul.
Foul.
Number
Sub.
Number 4. That is his first personal foul. 13 foul. Change players. Official score is 6-5. Lamang ng isa ang Hoopsters. Under 5 minutes.
Goal 6 ba? Tama. Wait lang, may free throw pa siya.
Basket is good. Substitution.
7 lang yan sila, boss.
7 niya, 7.
Official score 7-6. Lamang naman ng Panthers by 1. Number 5. Number 19 fires. No. Rebound number 9. Number 22 with the basketball. Number 22 decides to shoot. No. Rebound number 9. Sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points on number 31. Official score is 96. Nakiman. Fer fires. No. Rebound. Black ball. That's the Panthers. Number 22. Binigay din number 21. Fire. Short. Rebound Nakiman. Quickly to Ferrer. Sa gitna. Nakiman. Muscles his way. Fades. Shoots. Blocked. Number 8 with the basketball. Number 21. Number 22 now. Runner. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 22. 11-6. Our official tally. With 3 minutes and a half in the first. Number 19. Nakiman. Sa labas, number 13. No. Rebound number 9. Number 9. Being passed. Number 32. Same. No. Number 19. Number 19. Number 19. Makes his way. Shoots. Yes, sir. Nothing but left. 11-8. Our official tally. Lamang ang Panthers of 2. Exactly 2 minutes. Number 22. Shoots. No. Rebound Nakiman. Nakiman, 22. Ferrer, exacto ang pasa. No good! Ito na si number 22. Number 9, number back to number 22. Traveling violation.
Ano yung first ball kanina?
Busto now with the basketball. Busto.
Sa bola dito sa kabila.
Number 13. Ferrer. 15 on the shot clock. Segale. Number 13, go! Rebound number 21. Number 8, playing the point guard position. Pass. Naagaw. White ball. There's a foul on number 8. Number 8,
First.
only his first personal foul.
Dalawa pala.
Second team foul. Justo, Ferrer, sa ilalim, Nakiman, nakagaw sa gitna. Number 21, being harassed by Ferrer. Number 21, all the way. 13 to 8, ito na si number 19. Tries a triple, no, rebound. Number 21, number 21 pa rin. Lays up, no, rebound, Nakiman. Nakiman crosses over. 52, Busto, 3 on 3 break, Busto, side steps, no, rebound number 21, number 22 now, sa ilalim, number 9, lefty, no, sa gitna, number 22, fakes, shoots, wala pa rin, rebound pa rin, under a minute remaining, 13 to 8, Ferrer makes his move, lays up, yes sir. Make that 13 to 10. 3-point deficit for Hoopsters. With 43 seconds remaining in the first. Number 21. In the center court. 13 on the shot clock. Number 8, pass. 8 to shoot. Number 9, shoots. Yes, sir. 15 to 10. Just a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Nakiman, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nakiman, being eyed by 2 guards. 5 to shoot. Busto, drives, shoots, yes sir! End of the first quarter.
Running time.
Official score is 15 to 12 in favor of Panthers.
Running time tayo,
Running
bossing.
time.
Hindi na rin
Running
kaya
time
yun,
lang, bossing.
Pag pindot mo ng start, dire-diretso lang yun. Kasi 24 seconds, tapos pag 1.1, dire-diretso lang yun.
Bigla ng zero eh.
Mabilis talaga, bossing. 1 na lang eh.
Bakit ko lang?
Sige, bossing. Okay lang.
Walang puti.
Okay lang.
Pause ba to? Pause? Diretso na.
Game na ko eh.
Lalo sila sir kasi maungkol, masangkot lang sa amin.
Balik na lang.
Ano daw yun? Basher na eh. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa bench.
Start to the second quarter. This is only our first game of the evening. Meron pa tayong second game and the main event.
Anong number yan? Number 0?
Si Renick.
Here's number 0 to number 5. Dealing to number 4, now for number 19. Number 3 to number 19. Number 4, 13 on the shot clock. Number 3, Calderon. Salinas fires. Salinas scores.
Ayaw nila bigyan.
Ito na, nagpapalali. Waits up. Yes, sir. Easy 2. Number 11, Iglesias. That is his first field of the second quarter, 17-14. Caballeron to number 19, fakes. Pinalik number 3, 14 on the shot clock. Salinas behind. Lopez shoots. No. Rebound number 4. Blanco. But there is a pushing foul on number 77.
Ito, Paul.
That is his second personal foul. First team foul.
Uy,
Number 5. Blanco, signaling to play. Gives it to number 14. Back to Blanco. Over to number 5. Shoots. Number 1. Official score 20-14 with 8 minutes and 41 remaining in the second. Here's number 19. Caballeron, Salinas. Lopez fakes, shoots, no. Rebound, Lopez away. But there is a foul caught on number 14. That is his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Number 3, Caballeron, Salinas, all alone. Salinas, no. Rebound number 5. Number 5, siya na rin ang nagdala ng bola. Here's Blanco. Quickly to Manayaw. Sa ilalim. Good play.
Ano number yun?
Number 9, 14.
14.
For the basket. 22-14, our official score. Number 4. Same basketball. Sabi there. 14 on the shot clock. Caballeron. Number 4. Number 19, short stab. In and out. Rebound Salinas. Sa labas, stand to shoot. Caballeron. Salinas fires. Salinas scores. 22-16, our official tally. White ball. Here's Caballeron. Caballeron. Being harassed. Number 4. Binigay kay number 19. Number 19. Shot down. Shot away. Sa labas. Caballeron. Face. Caballeron. Sa gitna. All alone. Sa Poloy. In and out. Rebound number 14. Here's Blanco. Signaling the play. Gives it to number 4. Manayaw. Spins. Scores. Wala na ang kalamangan ng Panthers with 24-16. 6 minutes and 34. Number 19. Caballeron. Number 19. Number 19. But there's a foul from downstairs.
0. Nakakulit.
Zero na lang, kuya. Zero na lang yan.
0.
First personal foul on Blanco. Number 0. That is the second team foul. Caballeron. Naagaw, good defense. Manayaw, tumingin pa. Yes, sir! Here's number 19. Loroba. Number 19. 26-19, our official score. Ito ang kalamangan ng Panthers. Manayaw. Number 5. Yes, sir! 28-19. 5 minutes and a half remaining in the second quarter. Here's the Caballeron. Giroba. Number 19. 3. Back-to-back triples for Giroba, making the tally 28-22. Here's Blanco. Over to number 5. Number 4, Manayaw sa ilalim. Goes. Number 5, the big guy. Wala. Rebound Lopez. 22. Giroba. Giroba, 1-1. Shoots. Yes, sir.
Galing yun ah.
28-24. Back-to-back field goals for number 19. There is a pushing foul on number 3, Caballeron. is his second personal foul. Second team foul.
Tama ba? Second. Dalawa.
Putang ina mo. Ayaw magana. Yun.
Official score is 28 to 24 in favor of Panthers with 4 minutes and 42 remaining in the second quarter. Back to the ball game.
Kaya kailangan tatlo. Palit player, 5. Change 5.
Change players. Panthers ball, 16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 to shoot. Number 22. Number 21. Spins. Number 21. Lay. No. Rebound. Husto. 2-3. Husto makes his move. Shoots. No. Rebound number 9. That one number 22. Number 23. Shoots. In and out. Rebound number 13. Mediado. Stolen. White ball. Good defense by number 17. Gives it to number 0. Ferrer. Husto. Boa. Agaw sa likod. Number 21, Sarmiento. Lays it up. No. Good defense by Ferrer. Here's Husto. Quickly to Lapiman. Lapiman fakes. Lapiman drives. Starts on the break. He makes his move. Spins. Yes. Oh!
Grabe yun.
28 to 26. Just a one possession ball game. 3 minutes and 24. Here's number 22. 14 to shoot. Number 21. What a shot! Pero wala ang tira. Mediado with the ball. Mediado. Nakagawa ng Kendi. No good. Rebound number 5. Pua. Ferrer. 2-on-3. Ferrer makes his move behind the back. Violation. Top dancing with the wrong song is Ferrer. 18 to shoot. Sa ilalim. Number 9. Number 20. 31. Long play. 2 points for number 9. 20 assist to number 31. Zabala. Here's Ferreira on the break. Gives it to Lapiman. 14 on the shot clock. Pua fakes. Back to Lapiman. Lapiman into sa ilalim. Mediado. Basket is good for Galton Mediado. Number 22. Good defense. Nakagaw tuluyan. Nakuha ni Husto. Blocking foul. On number 26. That is his first personal foul, 13th foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Lapiman signals the play. 10 to shoot, decides to fire. No! Rebounds at number 31. 2-on-1. Number 22, short staff. Malakas. Husto with the basketball. 3-on-3. Husto, kick out. Mediado. Nakagawan. Turnover. Number 22, number 9. Good defense by Bua. Quickly to Lapiman. Envy makes his move. Envy takes, kick out. Husto tries a triple. No. Rebound number 21. Bigas. Number 21. Spin. 21. Yes, sir. 32 to 28.
Wow, si Illa.
Kalamangan ng Panthers. Under a minute remain. Here's Ferrer. sa ilalim sa labas. Mediano, Lapine. Pua. Shoots. Short. Number 21 now. Quickly to number 22. Number 22 stops, pops, no. Lapine looks at the clock. Lapine fires. Lapine just a slim 1.3, 32 to 31. Dalawang pa rin ang isa ang Panthers. Here's De Castro. Kick out to number 26. Number 26 basket. 34, 31, last 12 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Santiago. 5 seconds. Hakiman.
Uy!
There is a foul.
Foul. Basket mo.
Ano pong nauna sir? Yung pito ko yung bago.
Basket.
Yung bago. Ano na.
End of the second quarter. Official score is 54 to 51 in favor of Panthers.
Pito ka doon? Mga malalakas yung mga pinitutuan ngayon, no? Kaya ayaw mo sa akin. Ay pare, long time no siya. Ito yung sumat na alak eh. Yung finals. Nakala niya tubig eh.
Siya.
Oo siya. Dire-diretso eh. Ay, puta ka na mo, alak. Ito ako eh.
Ay, maglalaro yun. Wala sila.
Hindi na, magsisimula na tayo.
Maglalaro yun. Kaya, yung secreto.
Back to Oge.
Referee yun, referee.
Sa sunod, okay.
Sila yung referee daw. Yung score, hindi mo babalik ka rin. Hindi na, kasi bench dito eh. Hindi na ako maguguluhan yan. Kasi yung bench ang dito eh. Kung pag nakashoot yung dito na bench, dito ako mag-score. Pag nakashoot sila doon, doon ako mag-score.
Start the rest of the third quarter. Here's number 3. Over to number 19. Yoba, Salinas. Out to number 19. Files a triple. Go.
Ayaw.
No good. Rebound number 19. Yoba, quickly to number 4. Number 4, and there's a foul.
Foul number
Foul on number 11.
First.
That is his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 18 on the shot clock. 18 to shoot. Lopez. Lopez. Cross court. 11 to shoot. Lopez. Shoots. No. Wala. Nakuha din yung number 0. Nakabal number 2. Caballero. Number 4. Shoot. Short stab. No. Rebound. Wala. Number 0. Quickly to number 0. Blanco. To Blanco. Iglesias. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 3. Giroba. Fake. Violation. Tom dancing with the one turtle shoe is number 19.
Kasi
Turnover.
mayroong number 0 dito na kayo.
Hayaan mo na.
Ayaw mo na.
Sige.
Here's Blanco.
Dalawa yung pamaran.
James Blanco.
Yung isang zero,
Binigay
yung
sa gitna.
pamaran.
Aguilar. Aguilar, the number 29, Seroy. Seroy, 2 points. Stepping on the
Kulang?
line. 36
2 points lang.
to 34.
Ito. Ha? Ito lang daw to.
Gabayon. Salinas, Gagdan.
Uy.
10 to shoot. Giroba, fakes.
Uy.
Gabayon, number 4. Here's Iglesias. Iglesias lays up. Yes, sir. Here's Girovan. Girovan being given a bit. Takes.
Time out na, wag na kasi.
Number 4. Sotsa. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niyang sarili ng press. Put back. Yes, sir.
Pwede na kami mag-subsub ng boss. Pwede pala tayo mag-subsub.
Iglesias. Backboard violation.
Time out daw tayo. Time out, boss.
I'm out. Upstairs.
Time out.
Timeout, Team Hoopsters. Official score is 38-33 in favor of Panthers with 7 minutes and 21 in the third.
Dito na ko score.
Nasaan yung papel natin sa pangalawa, boss?
Ano dito? Ano dito? Mamaya. Hindi ko sa'yo.
Back to the ball game. Here's Justo. Justo to number 19. Sa gitna, number 4. Shoots, score. Black ball. Black ball. Over to number 0. Number 5. No. Offensive goal, Pamarang. Number 5, Pride. Nakuha pa rin ang bola. Counter steal. Here's Salinas. Stop, scores. Official tally is 38-35. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Panthers. Number 5, Aguilar. No. Rebound number 4. Quickly to number 19. Here's number 19. Stops. Lopez lays up. Yes, sir. Credit the assist to number 19. 2 points for Lopez. Ito ang depensa ni Salinas. Oh, number 29, Seroy. Seroy, all the way. But there's a foul on number
Time out.
Number
Panthers.
24, Lopez.
Time out. Panthers.
Lopez, that is his first personal foul. First team foul. Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 38-37. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Panthers with 5 minutes and 56 in the third quarter.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Two free throws.
Number 29. Si Roy.
Awarded to number 29, Seroy.
First.
In and out on the first for Seroy. Second throw on the way, no good. Lane violation, white ball. Here's Justo. Here's number 19. Girovan fakes. Drives, goes. Blanco. Over to Seroy. Seroy. Forgiven by number 4. Same basketball with 18 seconds to shoot. 18 to shoot. Seroy inbounding. Iglesias. Sa gitna. Manayaw is fouled by number 24. That is his second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Manayaw. Substitution. 24 out, 17 in. 29 out, 21 in.
Nakaset ba?
Hindi, isa pa.
Second throw is in and out as well. 1 out of 2, I should say. Here's Justo. Justo being given a hit. Justo drives. No. Nakuha ni number 11. Quickly to Blanco. Manayaw. Manayaw stops. Shoots. Scores. 41-37 ang ating official tally. Apat ang inahabol ng Hoopsers. Here's Nakimin being harassed by Blanco. There's a foul. Foul on number 0.
Laking foul, boss.
James Blanco.
Wala kayo, bili na lang kayo dun. Sa amin.
Only his first personal foul.
Bili na lang kayo.
Third na yan, di ba?
13 foul.
Dalawa.
Di Roman, wala. Blanco. Binigay number 11 ng Iglesias. Sarmiento fires. Sarmiento! 44-37.
Ano number yun?
Here's Roman.
21.
Number 17, Nakimen. Nakimen, drives baseline. Fakes, shoots. Basket is good.
Substitution daw. Good pa yun. Sub.
Foul on number 5.
Substitution right?
Mamaya po kasi.
Po na siya.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 17, Nakimen.
Ang na-shoot.
No good on the 3-point play. Here's Nakimen. Naagawan sa likod. But there is a foul on number 4, substitution.
Number 4.
Number 4, that is the second personal foul.
Third.
13 foul.
Pare? Lima.
Sarmiento shoots. No. Rebound Iglesias. Iglesias. Sarmiento. Lays up. No. Rebound. Number 22. Shot. Rebound. Justo. 50 to Ferrer. Ferrer on the roll. Yes, sir. 44-41. Tatlo na lang ang pinahabol. Here's Iglesias. Waits for his teammates. Sarmiento. Sa ilalim to number 5. 11 on the shot clock. Shoots. No. Gets his own miss. Fouls his way. No. Rebound Nakimen. Quickly. Black ball. Last touch on White. Here's number 22. Quickly to Manayaw. Aguilar. 15 to shoot. Aguilar plays his move. Aguilar goes. 15 minutes. Justo. Alone. Yes, sir. Isang lang kalangan. 44-43. With 2 minutes and 38 remaining in the third. Here's Sarmiento. Manayaw fires. No, rebound Nakimen. Nakimen. is Boone. Kicks out. Offensive foul on number 17. Makiman.
Ilan tayo mo?
Only his first
Nakakadala na ba
personal
to?
foul.
Wala pa. Dito lang yung nagtema.
Ano na time out? Panthers. Panthers. Time out.
Time out.
Panthers.
Team Panthers. Official score is 44
Wala na kayo time out. Parehas team ha. Wala nang time out.
with 2 minutes and 21 remaining in the third. Both teams, wala nang timeout for the period. Both teams, no more timeouts. Back to the ball game. Here's number 22. Binigay ng number 11. Iglesias, Sarmiento, shoots. Sarmiento scores.
Anong number? 21?
21.
56 to 43. Exactly 2 minutes remaining in third. Number 19. Gorobat Reed. Our second deadlock of the ball game at 4-6 apiece. Sarmiento, his own version, no. Aguilar powers his way. Basket is good. What's the foul? On number 19, Nakiman. Nakiman?
Number?
13.
Number 13.
13, sorry. Mediado.
First pa lang, first.
Only the first personal foul.
Penalty na yung one.
Substitution.
Penalty na yun. Wala. Lima na yung boss. Lima na yung sila.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 5, Aguilar.
Ano ka?
In and out. Cannot complete a three-point play. Official tally 48 to 46 with 1 minute and 32. Nakiman to number 19. Number 19. Back-to-back triples for number 19.
Lamang na sila isa.
Genova. Manayaw fires. Manayaw short. Rebound Sarmiento. Pull up. No. Rebound Nakiman. Nakiman. 3-on-3 red. Justo. Nakiman. Kick out. Gorobat. All alone. Gorobat. 52 to 48. Here's Iglesias. Sa ball balik. Block. 50 minutes. Sarmiento. Shoots. No. Manayaw. Wala pa rin. Nakiman. Alos. 3-on-2. Nakiman. Justo. Block. Same ball. 17 on the shot clock. Warning on number 29, Justo for continuous complaining. 17 on the shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot.
Wala pa yun. Wala.
Here's Justo. 13 to shoot. Tua. Back to Justo. Justo fires. Justo short. Rebound Manayaw. Here's Aguilar, the big guy. Aguilar. Aguilar pa rin sa ilalim. Number 22. Back to Aguilar. Aguilar fires. Aguilar. Three. Last 8 seconds. 52 to 51. Isang kalalang ng Roosters. Number 19. Nakiman. End of the third quarter. Official score is 52 to 51 in favor of Hoopsters.
Lamang hoopsters. Sa yung isa.
Jay, ay yung MGX pala. Saan yung papel natin? Masurado na natin. Ito. Sarap ng pangalan mo dito. Bigyan mo isang ballpen. Isa lang ballpen natin. Ito yun, di ba? Sa MGX ay natin MGX. Yan yan bro.
Score.
Ito pala si Mr. Pure Energy, wala kang kasali ba ito sa liga?
Back to the ballgame. Start of our fourth and final quarter.
Hello, time out, fourth quarter ha.
Game reset natin. Both teams have 2
Naka-on yung data
timeouts each.
Minute.
Minute.
Oo, minute.
2 timeouts, parehas.
Baba natin yung brightness. Para wala.
Here's Blanco to start the fourth. Binigay kay 21, Sarmiento. Natabi ka sa likod. Good defense. Same ball, last touch on White. 14 on the shot clock. Blanco fires.
Ano na yung score?
Lahat ako ng dalawa, ang Team Panthers, 54-52. Urobat, kick out, Justo, his own version. Malakas, rebound Nakinen, put back. But there is a foul. Foul on number 31.
Hello, fourth quarter.
31.
Kakasabi lang, tagalawang tayo mo, sir eh.
Kaya sabi lang, dalawa eh.
Ilan po?
Only his first personal foul, like went the first team foul. 2 free throws for Nakinen, good on the first. Second throw on the way for Nakinen. 2 out of 2. This is our third deadlock of the ballgame at 54 apiece. Blanco, quickly to Manayaw, Zabala, Sarmiento, fires. Sarmiento, 3! 57-54. Lopez in double. There's a foul. Foul caught on number 9. Only his first personal foul. Third. Second team foul.
Nakabulan.
Justo. Bates. But there's a blocking foul. On number 31.
Blocking foul, number 31.
Number 31, that is his second personal foul.
Bulan.
Third team foul.
Ito kayo. Nakababasa kayo.
14 on the shot clock.
Bulan na. Lakas.
Guroban.
May bagyo kasi.
10 to shoot. Guroban. Step back. Sa ilalim. Nagitawan. Turnover. Here's Blanco. James Blanco. Over to Sarmiento. Sarmiento decides to shoot. Malakas. Rebound Lopez. Quickly to Justo. Over to Fua. Fua slowly brings down the ball. Over to Justo. Justo. Drives. Lays up. No. Rebound. Offensive board. Nakinen. Cross court. Guroban. Kick out. Fua. 4 to shoot. Guroban fires. No. Blanco with the basketball. Blanco. Over to Sarmiento. Sarmiento, bigay na pick. Sarmiento, drive, shoots, no. Zabala, put back, yes sir. Lima na ang kalaban ng Panthers, 29-54 with 7 minutes and 32. Justo, Nakinen. 13 on the shot clock. Justo, pick out, Nakinen, waits, drives, shoots, scores. 59-56. Here's Blanco. James Blanco, ladies and gentlemen. 15 to shoot. Being icon Justo. Blanco to Zabala. Over to Manayaw. Manayaw fires. Manayaw lakas. Rebound Justo. 5 on 2 break. But there's a blocking foul on number 9. Number 9, that is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Sub. Ano ba yung team nila? Bigay na natin yung
Substitution.
Sige na, wait lang.
Bossing, tama ba yan? Third pa lang?
Ha?
O warning na?
warning na yan.
Ako pa na.
Apat na ba yan?
Team foul. oh.
Roma, continuing to shoot. Ganjan. Ganjan, fire. Ganjan malakas. Bilang by Aguilar. At kulang inahalon ng Team Roosters. Aguilar, playing point guard position. Game to number 22. 14 to shoot. Number 22 to number 9. The chance to fire. No. Rebound. Save basketball. Last touch on right. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Green! Isa!
Substitution.
Ito yung ano nila. Sa...
Ito yung isang ballpen.
21 is basket good. What's a foul?
Third.
On number 24, Lopez. That is his third personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21, Sarmiento.
Ito ko mag-foul pa.
Substitution. Cannot complete the three-point play. And it's Globa. Globa nagmamadali. Kick out, Ferrer, fire, short. Rebound number 9. Number 5, Aguilar. Aguilar loses the handle. Salinas. No. Salinas pa rin. Salinas fires. No. Rebound. White ball, last touch on Zavala. 61 to 56. 14 on the shot clock. Moroba, inbound, Akimen. Akimen makes his move. Akimen sa ilalim. There's a foul on number 9.
Penalty, third.
That is his third personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Sabonoy. Number first.
Bonoy! Ang pangarap, hindi ko na nasa buwan.
Second throw, wala pa rin. 0 out of 2 for number 4. Number 22. Signaling the play. He wants a man in his right. Gives it to Aguilar. Gives it to number 9. Number 22, alone, in and out. The offensive board. Sarmiento, fakes, shoots. That's so good. That's a foul. On number
Number 19.
Number 19. Only his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Time out!
Time out.
Boosters ba?
Upstairs.
Team Hoopsters. Official score 63 to 56 in favor of Panthers with 4 minutes and 55 in the fourth and final quarter.
Mga hindi mamaya. Wala. Kakauwi mo lang ata eh, no?
Kasali pa
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Ano mo sa routine, no?
Ha? Oo, yung mga bang. Mga balo sa ngayon. Nag-ahakot
Bonus free throw awarded to number 21, Sarmiento.
Kasali pa sa Eagle State.
Completes the 3-point play.
Kape mo to, ayos na to. Lumaki, no?
Ito na si Hakimen. 64 to 56. Our official tally. Robert Pitts. Hakimen. Behind by number 22. Nagawa. He's gone. 2 points. 66 to 56 ang pinakalaman. ng Panthers. Ferrer. Sa ilalim. Nagawan. Huling-huli ang basa ni Aguilar. Gives Aguilar. Gives it to number 22. To number 9. Signaling the plays number 9. Back to number 22. 9 to shoot. Toronto lane violation. Turnover. Substitution.
Diyan, ay kumano ng bus.
Lalaki niya. Dito natin naman. Kaya hindi na ako dito.
Here's Husto. Huling sa Jan. Jan to Pua. Pua fires. No. 3.5 remaining in the fourth. Here's Iglesias. Number 9. Pass number 22. Aguilar. At the post. 10 to shoot. Good fingers by Pua. Quickly to Husto. 2-on-2. Husto. Go! Here's number 9. Quickly to Iglesias. Good defense by Mediado. Nakimen. Quickly to Janjan. Janjan overshoots. Number 22. Aguilar fires. Aguilar. 69-56. Laling apat sa Aguilar. Here's Nakimen. Lays up. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na. Turnover. Official score is 69-56. Mediado with the basketball. Nakimen. Husto drives. Husto lays up, block. Gets his own wrist. 9 to shoot. Nakimen fires. Nakimen scores. Last 2 minutes. Aguilar. Looking at the clock. 13 to shoot. Aguilar. There's a foul.
Side daw.
Substitution. Foul on number 9, Pua. Only the first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 5, Aguilar. No good on the first shot. Second shot. No good, 0 out of 2. White ball. Here's Pua. Pua stops. Pua gives it to number 29. Husto fires. Husto no good. Rebound Aguilar. Iglesias, 10 to shoot. Pua, naagaw. Husto. 2 points. 69-60, official score. All alone, number 9, subs on the break. Uses the clock wisely. 15 to shoot. Naagaw, hindi bawat. Warawat, all alone. 2 points. Ito na lang, 69-62. Under a minute. Here's Zavala. Quickly to number 9. Number 9. Yes, sir. 71-62. Official tally with 22 remaining in the score. Here's Pua. Pua steps back. Pua fires. No. Salinas. easy 2. Iglesias, Team Double, Aguilar. Aguilar, Team High. 6-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Number 9. Yes, sir!
Final score. Final score.
Official tally 73-64. Congratulations, Team Panthers.
Picturean mo dito.